This is my new shock, solving the Rubik's Cube. Actually, it's really fun, provided you have that interest. It is not very difficult. Initially, I also thought it was very difficult, but it's easy, kind of easy. And moreover, we always say that, you should keep on doing something differently as you age so that your memory gets stronger and you don't become a victim of Alzheimer's or anything. So I'm trying to be nice to myself. Merge with the blue, then move towards the same. Comes here. Okay, that's good. Now, do I have anything? No, I have to. This is a wrong piece placed. Need to bring it down. Okay, cross all the yellow. Now with this one, this goes here more towards this thing here. Okay, that's good. My two layers are done. Now I have a hook for your UF. No, I did a mistake. Okay, I did a mistake. Let me clear this thing. Okay, now it's fine. F-R-U-R-U-F. Okay, fine. F-R-U-R. Prime, I got a fish. Or prime. Okay, my yellow is solved now. This one goes here. Prime F or prime back to R F prime or prime back to R2. That's fine. That's sorted out. Now this one goes. No, I still can't move. That's the wrong place. So R prime F or prime back to R F prime or prime back to 2. That's fine. And I still have to go. F or prime back to R F prime or prime back to R2. That's fine. I have headlights all over. I should. Okay, done twice, and then bring it here, bring down 2 times. Bring up, bring it, and there you go. It's solved.